All right, here we are. We're on day number 2 of
Lightning McQueen
restoration into the Commobile.
Yeah, we're gonna getting these stickers off of here.
Yeah, we're gonna finish up off on the stickers, and we're gonna try and paint it today. Oh no, this case does not help. Wow, unbelievable.
Is it recording now?
Now it is.
Finally recording. I had all them jokes that I told in the first hour.
We were talking that entire time.
Talking away like...
I don't know what happened. It only recorded like 0 seconds.
Something, we had major technical difficulties. Well,
I don't know what
anyway,
happened.
We're getting the paint. We're getting this prepared to paint.
Maybe it's just downloading it. I don't know. That's messed up. Well,
we lost some content.
Yeah. Tell them about the microwave.
So,
you don't want to be on camera? Huh? You can walk up. You won't be easy.
Are you ready for your new Lightning McQueen car?
We can see you on the camera. If you want to be on the camera. We recorded for like 10 minutes. It didn't record. I'm going to keep my eye on it now. Let me see.
So yeah, we're going to get... There's... Coming up in another video is going to be... We're going to open up a microwave oven that is broken, rescued from the trash. Got mustard all over me. Freaking pizza sauce. Freaking some sort of gravy. And
I think there's a Hungry Man brownie in there.
And a Hungry Man brownie, half cooked. Still tough as nails. And what we're going to do...
We should make another video where we see how durable Hungry Man brownie is.
What is Hungry Man?
We'll buy a few of them and do different tests.
Yeah, we need donations to buy them. They're like 6 hours.
Yeah, we don't have enough subscribers yet.
So,
make any money.
The broken microwave, our idea is to just see what it makes it tick. But it might work when we're done.
Let me see. It's like you're shaving.
Oh, shaving Lightning McQueen. He's a good shave.
I like this little spot.
Yeah, that's what I was working on.
There you go. Let me get in there.
Stickers are a pain. Yeah, keep going over it.
Alright. Should we hose it off, get all the soap off, and then
try? Did you see any more stickers?
On the back here. Oh, there's one on the wheel, but it might be able to cover that.
We're going to let that one go.
Yeah, let me rub it with some soap first. Feel like I'm back at JL, scrubbing stuff. Oh, this side, this side ain't the pretty side.
Yeah.
That's alright, each side, everything has a good side and a bad
Funny,
side.
I was just going to say that. I couldn't get it out in time.
Get my good side. The Commodore will have 0 good sides to appeal to those.
Well, it all depends on who. You know.
It's actually going to be the greatest car ever invented.
I think that everything has a good side. Everybody just... We're so critical of ourselves and everybody else. I'm working on that. Working on that judgment stuff and being critical. You know, I see somebody that's 7,000 pounds, and I look at them like, wow. Yeah, but it's hard. Just like when somebody looks at me and they're like, wow, I can't believe it. That kid is not even 125 pounds. Unless he's wet. But, what are you going to do? Right, I can walk, I can talk. Not at the same time, but...
If we can get a little license plate on here.
Yeah, you know the ones they sell?
Uh-huh. There's a little tiny one like right here, it says Kyle.
Yeah, it says like Joey. We'll change it, maybe say Kyle. I'm obsessed with Joey. I don't know why. I think it's from some TV show.
Is it Friends?
Yeah, and the guy that I think is Joey.
Why did I say Friends? It's a Full House.
Something. The guy that I think is Joey is not even Joey.
It's Jesse.
It doesn't matter how many times I'm told. That guy is Joey in my brain.
You want me to go get the hose?
Yeah, here. I'm getting burned out of the sticker here. I'm going to go get this paint in the bucket. I'm going to clean it with the thing a little bit. Maybe that'll work. I'm going to hose this sucker down. And he's going to be good to go. Get this hose. I wonder what this sticker won't come off.
Maybe tie on this attachment.
It's hard when you're left. Trying to these things backwards.
I've never used this, so this will be the first time. Here we go. Turn it on. Oh.
You don't got to turn it on full. That's good enough. Maybe not.
Oh, you want me to turn it off?
Yeah, I don't know why this thing.
Alrighty then. Let's turn it off.
Did you put that thing on her?
Yeah.
Oh. Go ahead, turn it on.
That's not gonna mess up the wiring or anything?
Eh.
Let me see it. I'm gonna do it like this.
Oh, don't forget that. Oh, look at this! A squirrel! He fell. Darn it, we missed it.
Is it alright?
No, he's hurt.
Where did it fall from?
He must have fell from something.
What the heck? I heard it hit.
He gonna die. I don't know where he fell from.
Power line?
I don't know, cause I don't know.
You can turn off the water now.
Never seen that happen.
It went. Alright, Kyle. We got the wheel off.
Well, I specialize in taking things completely apart, so.
I stopped recording because my mom came out and she don't like being on camera. So. But we got the wheels off because, or at least the front wheels, because I wanted to get the steering wheel off before we painted it. Are you taking both the motor right now?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Ow! Let's try to move the camera down there so they can see better, huh? Oh, you just see your hair. Alright. I'm gonna put this down here. You want to be showing? Okay. I'll put the camera over here. Alright. Can we see it right there, Kyle?
Yo. See this little trick I'm doing here? So you can't really get in there to turn these because it's too small. So
What Kyle's doing right now is he just show the camera what you're doing, like with the wrench screw.
Yeah.
Where's that stuff?
doing something that nobody's ever done before. Put this in here. This is too small to turn. So I just take these and I turn it like that. Huh. I invented this. I got a patent number 765328885529444.
Don't give out your whole patent.
I messed up. Well, I got a patent on this technique.
I'm trying to get it so it don't cut our heads off.
Now, as always, one's going to give you trouble. Well, this is a historic moment in our restoration life. Usually one rusty screw always gives a fit and you got to break it out. To my shock, and that's a rusty screw. No idea what I'm doing here, so. Oh, look, this is cool. I just learned. It's got a little bit of rubber on here for traction. Look at that. It's got a little rubber. And that was missing the rubber. So we'll have to get a piece of rubber and replace it. So there's a secret thing underneath this tub. Should be a bolt. Aha. See that? It's a very nice tool here. Look at that. Wheels off. I usually like to put my bolts back for this kind of thing on there because I don't want to lose nothing. And I don't want to forget how anything went. So for this I think is connected to this side. Let me take this hub off again. Take this one off, just a little plate. Now we can get the what do you call it off of that. Take this one off. So now my washer goes on this side and this side. So now this little piece is what holds this in. So we need to figure out how this goes. turns somehow. Ow. So that's not... Let's go back here. So let me take this off. So very first is this piece, then the washer. So this will take this off. So now the motor's off. So now this will all go slide through. But this is where it gets tricky because you have to remember how this goes. So this is recording, so you can refer back. So we got the shaft here. This would be the drive motor side. So on the drive motor side, you first have a, a washer, then a spacer. Then the drive motor would be on. Then you would have, I think it was another spacer. I have to look back at the video. And then this goes through here. I'm going to put this on here. So we're going to have to refer back to the video to make sure exactly the placement of these.